Y'all, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Ft.Ashimary here for sponsoring today's video. So this unit right here is one of the newest, largest cap constructions on the market in general. So this is a 10x6. This unit is a pre-everything unit, guys. It comes ready to install. This unit is 100% glueless, guys, so you don't have to do any gluing to this unit. So this is a straight texture, as you guys can see. It's about 24 inches long. So in this video today, I did install this one in a middle part. This is a same day install, so it's very, very simple and straight to the point, guys. Like the easiest wig install of your life, like literally. So today's gonna be very, very simple, and I styled it in a middle part. It does come to you in a middle part, but I wanted to show you guys this unit in the side part so you guys can see that this unit has a nice HD lace. When I mean part, look at that. Yeah, up close and personal, you guys can see that the unit is very, very nice. I didn't do any baby hairs to this unit at all. I wanted to keep it clean and fresh. You guys can see it's very, very seamless. These nice tiny knots on this unit are very, very perfectly placed. I have no complaints about this whatsoever, baby. I did actually rock this one in the middle part for a couple of days, but I feel like the side part is definitely giving what it needs to give. It's also really nice density as well too. It's not bulky in the parting space, the 10x6. It's a nice kind of like even balance with the actual tracks in the back. So this unit is well constructed and it fits my head to a T. I'm a medium to average cap size, and it does come with adjustable straps, so you can just go ahead and adjust that one. So very, very simple, guys. So as always, I will leave all the information down below, guys, per usual, including a coupon code. Now let's go ahead and get into the install.